ancient enemy. Since the heresy, our rivalry has been legendary. Now we meet again.
Yeah, so you're just a Night Lord, right? Not a Fallen?
What's a Fallen?
We got the wrong planet, guys. Sir, we just got a report of a Fallen on the other side of the galaxy. Huh, let's head there immediately.
What just happened?
I started him off with a simple Mark 7. Of course, I made him true scale like how I did in this video. Part of the reason I didn't give him anything cool was so that I could give him the robes the Dark Angels are known for. There are a bunch of different ways to make robes, but this time I cut 2 strips of green stuff and put them in a cross across his chest and coming around on his butt, then cut away the excess around his belt, then patted it down with my shaping tool. Since I wanted to give him a hood later, I put a bit of green stuff here and made it appropriately foldy, then put a big flap of green stuff around his waist. But I avoided the belt, so it would look like it was the thing holding it up. But now that I'm thinking about it, I think it would have been better to make a new belt. I don't think the armored belt works like that. Again, I used my shaping tool to make it all flowy. Here in the back, I felt like it was bending in too much, so I tried to poke it back out, but...
Big jumpy.
Thanks, I know. So I tried to get it back, but I just ended up messing it up. So what do we do when messing everything up? We pretend it never happened and cover it up. That's why you guys don't know anything about my gaming channel. Anyways, more smoothing it out. After putting on all the other bits, Mark III backpack and plasma gun, because old. Mark 7 arms, shoulder pads, and helmet, because not too old. I put another flap on his head. Of course, that's way too much, so I cut it away. And make sure it's foldy like it should be. Even added a little trim to the hood, so now he's nice and cozy. Of course, make sure it blends in good. You saw the title. I covered him in Retributor armor, to later add Dark Angel's green. Then he will be a shiny dark green. But why gold? Normally for the metallic contrast method you use a silver. I don't know, looks better. I'm not an expert in colors, so I can't tell you why it looks better. It just does. Oh hey look! Sandry dust on his robes. I might have used Skeleton Horde, but there was gold on his robes, and I didn't want to go back over it with the white. Oh, now Dark Angel's green, just like I said I would do. I did thin it down just a bit, because Dark Angel's green is really thick, so I don't know if the gold underneath would show. Definitely something to mess around with if you had a full Dark Angel's army. Then Lead Belcher on the plasma gun, backpack, and a bit of the helmet. The plasma gun also got Blood Angel's red for the case, and Aquilin green for the plasma glow, then Agrax all over his robes. Similarly, I did Nuln Oil all over the Lead Belcher bits. Now I gotta redo the Retributor armor over the skull on its head and the Aquila on his shoulder, but I also put some in his eyes for later. His Dark Angel symbol needed some white. I also tried a white edge highlight on his plasma glow, but it was kind of meh. So now some Spirit Stone red over the Retributor armor we did in his eyes a bit ago. Now he's just about done. Just gotta get their unique battle line symbol on there by freehanding it. Okay then. Well, that's the best I can do. Deal with it.